Balik operasyon na ang FA-50 fighter fleet ng Philippine Air Force matapos ang higit isang buwang grounding dahil sa fatal jet crash sa Bukidnon. Alamin ang mga nakitang dahilan ng trahedya sa agenda report ni Francis Folve.
Tapos na ang investigasyon sa pagbagsak ng FA-50 ng Philippine Air Force sa Bukidnon noong March 4. Congruence of factors daw ang lumalabas na sanhi ng crash. Kabilang dito ang night flight, environmental condition at intricacies of flying multiple aircraft. Wala rin daw dapat sisihin na sino man sa insidente.
What is important is the Philippine Air Force recognizes that we need to improve on our safety protocols. At the same time, look at different aspects from mission planning, preparation, at the same time, the way we execute using our tactics, techniques, and procedures. That is our commitment to enhance our safety protocols so that we can ensure that our future operations are safe not only for our pilots but for the preservation of our equipment.
Una na rin sinabi ng Air Force na lahat ng kanilang mga piloto ay nagsanay at bihasa sa anumang air mission.
You mentioned mechanical. Let us be very clear. Based on the data that was extracted and assessed, there was no technical or mechanical problem that caused the mishap. As I've mentioned, the confluence of factors are attributable to the inherent risks of environmental factors such as night flying and flying over mountainous terrain. At the same time, there are the operational risks, the complexity of operating with multiple aircraft in a combat situation. These are the factors that interplayed causing the mishap.
Wala rin daw nakitang diferensya sa fighter jet. Sa katunayan, lumilipad na raw muli ang FA-50 fleet at sasali rin ito sa gagawing balikatan exercises ngayong buwan. Challenge ngayon sa Philippine Air Force ang kakulangan ng kanilang FA-50 fleet, pero kasama sa kanilang modernization program ang pagbili ng mga bagong fighter jet, kabilang ang mga F-16 na mula sa Amerika. Para sa agenda, Francis Folve, Billionaire News Channel.